Welcome to the Ultimate Wine Buying Guide, where we delve into the fascinating world of wines, unraveling the complexities of wine selection and helping you make informed choices. Today, we're focusing on one of the most beloved white wine varieties, Chardonnay. Known for its versatility and global appeal, Chardonnay offers a spectrum of flavors and styles that cater to diverse palates. Let's begin with what Chardonnay wine truly is. At its core, Chardonnay is a white grape variety that's celebrated for its remarkable ability to reflect both the terroir in which it's grown and the intentions of the winemaker. This duality makes Chardonnay a bit of a chameleon, transforming from a crisp, refreshing sip to a velvety indulgence. It's also a key player in the production of champagne, particularly the Blanc de Blanc style, composed entirely of Chardonnay. The journey of understanding Chardonnay wouldn't be complete without exploring its origins. Chardonnay has been meticulously cultivated in France's Burgundy region for centuries. Here, particularly in the Côte de Beaune, revered as the heart of white Burgundy, Chardonnay achieves extraordinary heights. The Grand Cru vineyards like Montrachet and Corton Charlemagne produce wines celebrated for their aging potential and complexity. In stark contrast, Chablis, located in the northern reaches of Burgundy, offers a style marked by chalky minerality and bracing acidity. Moving south to the Côte Chalonnaise and throughout the Mâconnais, one finds excellent, value-driven Chardonnays that continue to intrigue wine enthusiasts. Beyond the borders of France, Chardonnay has firmly established itself in the New World. In California's Napa Valley and Sonoma's Russian River Valley, Chardonnay often adopts a richer persona, with a creamy texture achieved through malolactic fermentation, adding depth and warmth. The diversification doesn't stop there. Regions like Washington State, Oregon, Argentina, Chile, Australia, and New Zealand also contribute to Chardonnay's global presence, each imparting unique characteristics based on climate and winemaking style. Why should you reach for a bottle of Chardonnay? One of the most compelling reasons is its versatility. Few grape varieties offer such a broad range of styles. Whether it's the vibrant acidity of a cooler climate Chardonnay or the opulence of one from a warmer region, Chardonnay has the capacity to delight in any situation. Its versatility extends to food pairings as well. The acid-driven examples from Chablis are perfect with seafood and light dishes, while rich expressions complement heartier meals, even those involving cheese or dishes with hints of lemon. One of the more frequent dilemmas faced by wine drinkers is choosing between Chardonnay and Sauvignon Blanc. While both are exquisite in their own right, they offer distinctly different experiences. Sauvignon Blanc teases the palate with notes of grapefruit, herbs, and sometimes bell peppers. Chardonnay, on the other hand, leans towards melon, orchard fruits, and occasionally tropical hints, often with lower acidity than Sauvignon Blanc. Choosing between the two often comes down to personal preference or the occasion at hand. The beauty of Chardonnay is that it is accessible at varying price points. While some of the finest examples from Burgundy's Grand Cru can fetch staggering prices, delightful and complex Chardonnays are available for more modest sums as well. This makes exploring Chardonnay an accessible adventure regardless of budget. Now, let's delve into what makes a Chardonnay truly unique: its taste. Chardonnay naturally exhibits fruitiness, often described as reminiscent of melons and autumnal orchard fruits like apples and pears. Where the grape is grown adds further dimension. In calcium-rich soils, you might detect a subtle brininess and hints of chalk. Warmer climates draw out more tropical flavors such as pineapple and mango. When oak-barreled, Chardonnay often carries flavors of cinnamon, clove, and vanilla, especially if the wine has undergone malolactic fermentation, lending it those renowned buttery nuances. To truly appreciate the variety Chardonnay offers, here are 5 producers that showcase the grape's versatility. From the renowned Hélène et Adrien Gauterin's Chablis Grand Cru to Louis Latour's classic Burgundy offerings and Perrier-Jouet's Blanc de Blanc Champagne, each offers an exemplary taste of what Chardonnay can offer. Not to be missed are the celebrated New World examples like Rombauer and Sonoma-Cutrer, beloved for their oaky richness and balanced flavor profiles. In conclusion, Chardonnay stands as a testament to the diversity and adaptability of wine, embodying the elegance and richness that captivates wine enthusiasts worldwide. Whether your journey with Chardonnay takes you to the mineral depths of Chablis or the lush expanses of Napa Valley, there is a bottle waiting to be discovered, ready to share its story in your glass. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Chardonnay, where every sip holds the potential for a new discovery. Cheers!